Hi, there's one other video I wanted to get out this week, and that's how to use Pearson. And some of you may already know how to use Pearson, but just kind of a couple of things to go over. First off, you get into your Pearson account, you sign in through your link, and then you'll have a box. You won't have as many boxes as I do, but you have a box and you click on it anywhere in the box. And I'm going to go to student view. That gets you to something that looks like this. So just a couple of things on navigation. First off, over here on the right, you have your percent. Of course, there's nothing there right now. We haven't started yet, but you can always look at your grade there. Also, your grade can be found in the grade book on the sidebar. You can click there as well for your grades. And let's see. This is a 2-week view, but actually you're going to have to change that to a 1-month view because there's a link here that shows up on the 1-month view that doesn't on the 2-week view. All right, these dots, this is when I started. I started publishing the homework assignments, but actually the due date isn't until the 28th. You got 2 assignments that are due on the 28th. These need to be done because I have to turn in a census if you're in the class or not. And if I record you as a no-show because you haven't done anything, then you can lose scholarships, financial aid, all of that. And it's a pain to try to get back in. So again, make sure you do those, at least one of those assignments before the 28th. So you can get to your assignments. You can click on these as individuals and they'll get you to the assignment. Down below, you have current assignments here. If it's not, you just toggle down to current assignments. If you click on the assignment, it will take you, let's click on it. It's an orientation. It takes you to this right here, and there's only 8 questions. It's kind of how to use Pearson. You can start, you can push this, or you can push question number 1 to start out. So, so that's one way to do each of your assignments. You guys will probably get better at this than I am as far as navigating this right here. And of course, we have the due date along here, your score, how many questions are in each of those, and then a quiz. You've got 0 of 3 attempts. I can't remember how many questions are on the quiz right now, but that's all right. So that's one way. Now, another thing, what's important is this date up here, because the past due assignments are linked to the month you're looking at. So if you want to go back and do an assignment that you missed, you're going to have to change this to the month. In February, the past due assignments would only show up for February's past due assignments. So if it was due in January, you're going to have to toggle over to January in order to see past due assignments. Just kind of let you know that. All right, so one of the reasons why I had you look at the month view is this welcome to my math lab. This right here, to get started, run a browser check to make sure, and then view how to enter answers. So you're going to want to watch this if you have issues on entering some of the answers. So if you have issues with the orientation assignment, this would be a good place to go. This on how to enter answers into Pearson. That might help you, especially when it comes to graphing. That might help quite a bit. Let's see, what else did I want to talk about? There are some over here, multimedia library. And this is here to help you if, okay, so for some reason you're watching my videos, my lesson videos, and you think, I still don't understand. I don't like the way she's explaining it. Here's an option. It's a multimedia library. Let's go there. So let's say we're having some issues, or you're having some issues with chapter 3, graphing and functions, section graphing equations 3.2. And this also work in your other classes because there's all basically the same. So if you miss a day, if you're an in-class math class, you miss a day, you can always come here to get some help. I'm just going to select all, find now. So then we can Go down here, it's got some active learning, some animation, the multimedia textbook. You can go to that chapter in the textbook. There's some prep videos, here's also some other videos that might help you. So, all right, just to let you know. Oh, let's see. There was one other thing I was thinking of just now and it left me. As far as, also there's an e-text. So again, I told you didn't have to buy the text. That's because the text is embedded here. But when you're doing a problem, a lot of times at the bottom, it'll say, see in e-text. So you can press the e-text link and it'll go to the page that you can maybe find some help with on that problem. All righty. So again, I would watch the display. Multimedia. Let's go back to course home and navigate this student view. So when you're in the month, again, you can go to how to enter answers. And the nice thing about Pearson is for every problem you do, you get 3 chances, and then it marks it wrong, but you can do a similar question. The similar question allows another 3 attempts to get full credit. So you can, in reality, get 100% on all your assignments by clicking similar question. Also here, I wanted this video to be short, but we're going to go to a homework assignment. I'm going to try to pick a problem here to show you what it kind of looks like. I just did number 13. Okay. This one doesn't have what I was interested in. Oh, yes, it does, down here. All right, down here at the bottom, help me solve this. If you do the help me solve this, it will go through step by step how to solve it, and it'll give you a new problem to try to get the full credit. View an example is what a lot of people use because it gives you an example of one just like it, and then you go back to what you started with, that original problem. So that's kind of nice. Get more help. You can go to the textbook and it'll take you to the page where this is found at. Or you can ask my instructor and it links this to my email, this problem, and I can look at it and then email you back some suggestions for that. But the view and example is huge. And also help me solve this. Just remember, if you do the help me solve this, they're going to give you a new problem. And if you miss it a bunch of times, let's try it. Let me just put X. Let's just miss this. See, I go down here to check answer. It's going to say it's wrong. One more response. Okay. So then I'm just going to, maybe you try something else. Do X. And you check answer. You get 3 chances at this. Try again. All right. So then we'll do, you try it one more time. Let's do 8X. Final check. So then here, it gives you the correct answer and your answer. You say, okay. And then it should give you an option. Oh, did I go back to 13? Is that where I was? You have not completed. Are you sure you want to leave this one? Yes. Where were we? Was it 14? Oh, maybe it was 16. Let's go back to 16. Usually, they want you to finish it. I didn't realize I picked something with 3 parts or 2 parts. Okay. Check answer. I'm just going to get these wrong so I can show you how to final check. Okay. So now it gave, the correct answer was 90. I kept answering 333. You can go to the next question, or you can do a similar question and you have a chance to get it right again. So, Pearson's kind of nice in that way that you can get 100%. You also have immediate feedback. The problem is you have to type things in just right or it counts it wrong. So that's that part is not fun. But so anyways, I hope that helped. If you have any other questions as you're navigating this platform, I'm going to leave. It doesn't hurt to save. See, I still have 16 wrong, and I can go back to it. You can start on number 1 or whatever. So hope that helped. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Don't stress about these 2 platforms that we're using, Canvas for the notes and the video lessons, Pearson for the homework, tests, quizzes, and where you'll find your grade. You just have to navigate between the 2. All righty. Okay, well, good luck. And again, I encourage you to let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.